Hello, I'm Grant from Maker's Vlog, and holy shit, we reached 2,000 subs. Now, I haven't put a video up in a while, a few months at least. I haven't actually checked as I'm recording this, but holy shit. Yeah, I can't believe it. There's 2,000 people who actually wanted to see more of my shit. It's strange. I am not gone. I am putting more videos out now that at the minute we are in quarantine, so that's brilliant time for me. I know that sounds terrible, but it's good because I can get in here and start building things and tinkering and recording some stuff for yourselves. But on that note, I'm fucked if I have any ideas. What do you want to see? That's my biggest thing right now. Is I have loads of stuff that I could start doing and throwing out. But whenever you record, any of you who are video makers out there, you'll know it takes you 3 times as long to do something. And there's been times I've came out here, I've moved a lot of my electronic stuff back into the house, up in the study. Just it's easier for me because it's warm, it's cold in here, and in here quite dusty and damp. So I've moved most of my electronic stuff up there. There's still some shit that needs to go up. But recording, it takes 3 times as long. And so whenever I go to do something, like, I don't know, something simple, some of you quite like the video where I showed putting on the SMA adapter on that, I believe. Not even quite like that. And I do like adapters and stuff all the fucking time. I've done a couple of BNC connectors not that long ago, and I never even thought I had them done, and then realized, shit, should have probably recorded that. It could have been a nice video. And yeah, it's not having that forethought, but I could make a note and maybe do it next time. But I don't know if that's what you want to see. So what do you want to see? I'm going to be putting out stuff anyway in the not too distant future. I've got a couple of ideas of stuff that I want to get done. But other than that, I'm open. So if you have any ideas of what you want to do, put them in the comments, fire them through. Or if you're on the Discord, fire it in the Discord. Just let us know. And that's absolutely fine. But yeah, geez, it's been a few months since I put up a video. Like, look, I've got a fucking ponytail now. Like, yeah. And I've burnt my fringe off several times leaning over a fucking soldering iron. But yeah, 2,000 subs, holy shit. I can't believe it. Yeah. Also for 2,000 subs, a lot of people usually do like a special or something like that. I didn't actually see this coming. I only noticed the 2,000 subs. I think someone commented on a video, and I went in the other day to read it and reply, and it just caught me eye at the top. I was like, well, no, that can't be right, fuck. And there it was, 2,000 subs, so happy with that. But a lot of people do a special. I don't have any ideas yet. I will think about it. But if you have any ideas of what might be a good idea for a special, I don't know, a live stream or something, or I don't know. Yeah, again, stick it down below and let me know. Cheers. See you later.